With SlideSpeak, you can now create presentation with AI using your presentation templates. All you have to do is go into Custom Templates and upload your template file. As soon as your template file has been uploaded successfully into our app, you will see this pop-up where you can configure a template so that it's compatible with our system. In the first step, it will ask you to choose the cover slide for your presentation. In this case, let's choose this design. In the second step, you want to do the same thing but for the content slide. Now in the last step, you'll see a preview of the presentation design. But before we start creating anything, we want to make sure that the placeholders has been labeled correctly. So over here, let's go into the cover slide and click on Adjust Placeholders. So in this slide, we want the first text box to be the slide title and the second text box to be the subtitle. You want to click on this little button to make sure that this text box has been labeled correctly. In this case, it is the slide title, and in the second selection, it is the slide subtitle. When you think everything has been labeled correctly, click on Save and do the same for the content slide. Again, just simply click on Adjust Placeholders and see that the first text box has been correctly labeled as the slide title, and the second text box has been correctly labeled as the slide content. Click on Save and Finish. Now we can start creating a presentation using this template that we have just successfully configured. Now go back to the home page and click on Create Presentation with AI. You can select to either create a presentation from a document or from a topic. Let's say for this example, we want to create a presentation about public speaking and presentation skills. Now, as usual, you would want to select the presentation length, language, tone, amount of text. If you want to add logos or brand colors or brand fonts, you're able to do so in the Premium Plus subscription. But just for this example, we'll deactivate these options. Now, in this slide, you can either select one of our beautiful SlideSpeak templates over here, or you can go into Custom Templates and select the template that you have just successfully uploaded and configured. Now click on Next, and if you want to add more instructions, you can do so in this prompt. Now that the table of contents have been created and you like what you're seeing, just simply click on Generate, and you'll see that a presentation has been created using the template file that you have uploaded earlier. So here we can see the cover page that we have selected, and over here we can see the content page that we have selected earlier. That's pretty much it. That is how you would create a presentation using your custom templates.